Hello traders, I want to record a short video of how I trade bounce method. So I'm looking for a bounce from this gold line, 34 EMA, bounce or rejection. I have a bounce trader. If you need, I have a free trial on my website. I'm entering with these buttons. Now this blue and red line tells me where the candle will close, and in relation to 34 EMA, this gold line. Right now it's kind of basing and just ranging. I'm usually done by 10:30 and I am done for today. I'm just just wanted to record this short session, and maybe next week I'll record a full session. So I'm kind of leaning towards buy. If it closes bullish, I'm entering. Alright, so let's see if still can go up. Come on, go. Now this was a 34R trade, what I did. So I'm gonna mark it as 34R because 34R stands for rejection at 34 EMA. So usually it should be bounce and go down, but this time it rejected. See this candle, it rejected it, and I entered on the next candle, on the next bar. So one trade is down, and let's see if we could find more trades today. I'd like to show you 34B trade. Hopefully I'm gonna get it, because these two, 34R and 34B, are my most favorite ones. They're most they just happen the most. Now we're angulating loan, so we're looking for loans only. Yeah, it seems like price is going to take off without giving us a signal. While we're waiting, I'll just mark what would be a setup here. Would be 34R, 34B. This would be 34B. These are actually compound 34 and 89. This cyan line is 89. So I see how this bar bounced from 34 and 89B, so this is compound one. Compound means it intensifies the chain, makes it more solid. Okay, price is retracing, but we need 34B. Back to the settlement. This cyan line is a settlement. Settlement also attracts the price, so it has a good chance to come all the way down to 34 EMA and make a bounce to the loan. But since this was a I don't want to open buy here because we have wick here in a way. but we had such a strong push here. Yeah, according to the bounce method, we're waiting for 34 EMA. That's where the most action happens. See, there was this week in a way. Now it's eyeing 34. Come on, go a little bit more down. Well, if it's going to close, no, I still need to wait 34. Okay, so I activated buy. I activate it again. I reactivate it. I activated buy because this will make it 34.89B bounce trade, because it's bouncing off of 89. Okay, so it cancelled on us. But I'll reactivate it because it's still gonna be 89B trade. See, there's this 200 EMA bounce, and it's kind of a compound one. So I'll increase my take profit until there. Yeah, I feel like it can go up there. I'll just close it right here. So this is the second trade we took, right? Like I said, we were anticipating a bounce from 34 EMA. It didn't happen. Then from 89 EMA, then there was this 200 EMA. So it bounced from there. It's basically like a compound trade. So that's why I took that trade. Again, it's all written in a bounce method playbook. So this is a compound 89B trade. So these are the two trades that we took. Let's see what it's gonna give us. Yeah, I'm still looking for loans. We're angulating loan, so I'm waiting for a comeback to 34 EMA, make a bounce, and price continues to go up. Not sure if it's gonna give us a signal though. Yeah, with these buttons you can enter really quickly. They're very helpful. They're kind of essential to the bounce method. Otherwise you'll be late in entering. Okay, so we're approaching 34B. I know we have these wicks, but we're still we're coming from a lower low, so we should be making higher high. I'll just move my price, my stop loss just one tick lower, just in case, because there is a resistance in those wicks. See, there is the 2 wicks. Now this is not a clean setup because of those wicks, but I feel like it can. It has a good opportunity to break it. They can still retest. Okay, so it. Come on, one more. Okay, good. So that was another 34B trade. So we had 2 winners today. 3 winners. This one, and this one. Yeah, I'm not sure how long I want to keep on sitting here. Market kind of slowed down, but I'll wait a little bit longer.